It's been a little bit since I've done a video, and I've been out, but I wanted to catch up everyone on what I'm doing. I've got some seeds starting right now and trying a few new things. On the left-hand side, I have a variety of basil. It's called Fino Verde, and it has petite leaves on it and is a dwarf variety of basil. And the middle garden that you see right now is 3 H19 little leaf cucumbers, more of a pickling cucumber, but parthenocarpic and perhaps will fit a little bit better in small grow containers. On the seed starting deck that you see, these tall plants in the front are Daikon radish variety called April Cross. In the back, I have Vivian romaine lettuce. I have really grown to like the Vivian variety as well as the Jericho. They are quite large for romaine lettuce, and the leaves are very tender, have a very slight crisp to them, and make a great salad. I'm even growing some cascading petunias. These are in hydroponics as well. The let pot garden that they're growing in is nice because as much as these drink nutrients up, they have a pump that pulls from the reservoir on the left to refill the garden, and so there's virtually no maintenance for me. I'm trying something new. This is a kohlrabi. I'm waiting for the bulb to form on the bottom, the base part of the plant. It seems to be doing quite well in hydroponics. I have a couple varieties of cucumbers going. This is the other one. This is also parthenocarpic, and this is a piccolino. It is going to be a smooth skin variety that is great for snacking. And the tomato plants that are in this 40-watt AeroGarden are a variety called Golden Harvest. I've grown these before and enjoyed the variety. It's kind of a golden variety, has a very slight fruit flavor shift in terms of it doesn't have quite the acidic tomato flavor that you get from old-fashioned tomatoes. It's a cherry variety. So here we are, and both these plants are looking quite shrub-like for 81 days out, and I'm just starting to see some flowers starting to form on the plants. Now, the last time I grew this, it was about day 100 to 110 when I got tomatoes. Since I had some extra tomato plants, I took 3 out and put into a 6-gallon grow pail. This is a Vivosun 100-watt LED grow light that I'm using. And look at the difference. This plant is absolutely loaded with green tomatoes. I'm even seeing on one of the 3 plants that the tomatoes are starting to ripen already. There's at least 1 or 2 that I could pick and eat right now. The plants that have the ripe tomatoes are smaller than the ones I showed you in the AeroGarden. Their root systems are shorter as well. The restricted root size has probably contributed as well as the light to the earlier harvest that I'm getting. There's quite a bit of snow that came down over the past couple of days. It's currently the coldest part of the year in Zone 5, and so I'm limited to indoor growing, and I've been selecting the seeds to start, and I have a few more systems I'm going to be kicking up. So I appreciate you supporting my channel. Be sure to click and subscribe if you don't mind. It helps out with being able to produce more things and get more vendors involved with sending things I could show you. But overall, I'm hoping to get a lot more growing, and a few lessons that I've learned I'm going to try to pass along as well. So happy gardening.